high, and we're already feeling a little spooky as we head into Halloween weekend, the weekend before. Mike's got his pumpkin tie on. We love it. Tell him we love it. And
thank you.
We've got a new,
like the orange,
new graphic alert, and we've got SU Orange.
Yeah,
so we're
new graphic alert. Hopefully, we're not going to scare anyone out there. The weather. It's a little ghoulish. I'm forecasting plenty of clouds for the trick-or-treat hours. You know, this is for the afternoon, late afternoon into the early evening. I do think it's going to be overcast with a few showers around. Temperatures, though, 59 degrees during the trick-or-treat hours around the Syracuse area. That's above average, so you're not going to need the hat and gloves and a really heavy winter parka, especially considering the winds right now look to be fairly light. And hopefully we'll get rid of some of this rain. I think it's going to be dry in the morning, actually, and then as we get deeper into the afternoon, a couple of isolated to scattered showers will likely to be developing. So we'll see how it goes out. I know this time of the year, a lot of people, it's their favorite holiday of the year. I put it at number 2 after Christmas. All right, it's feeling lately like a more return seasonal pattern. We've seen a temperature drop. It's cold out there right now. In many rural communities, we're in the 20s. We've got cold enough temperatures for frost and in some spots, some valley fog as well. But this high pressure will give us some sunshine to start the day, just some high thin clouds. Those clouds thickening up as this warm front approaches. The rain, we're not going to see that. So maybe a little overcast at times as we go into the afternoon as those clouds thicken a little bit. But then as we go into tonight, that warm front should pass by to our north. This high pressure is going to anchor itself right over us. So we've got light winds for tomorrow. A gorgeous day. I'm going to show you the futurecast. Try to find a cloud on it. Then I want to focus in on this system. The one that was in the Rockies producing big snows over Colorado is now a rainmaker down in the deep south in Texas, Oklahoma, going down towards the Gulf Coast states. Then it starts to hook up in our direction, and that's going to be the next weather maker, next chance for rain later on Halloween. So your forecast for this Friday, we're pretty much clear sailing weather-wise. There's not a lot of wind. Once we get rid of that fog and frost, we're looking pretty good. Mostly sunny, turning partly sunny. Temperatures rebounding nicely from below average temperatures this morning to about where we should be. The normal high is 56 degrees, so we'll take that. Partly sunny there, partly to mostly cloudy during the early evening. Then the clouds start to clear, and that's going to allow our temperatures to drop again with very little wind, 0 to 4 mile per hour winds tonight. And eventually, I think we're colder than this, probably down to close to freezing in Syracuse, and some outlying areas could be down into the upper 20s. But there you see it. I said, find a cloud. There's just nothing going on sky-wise. Award-winning weather. Hopefully Syracuse is leaving the dome with a win at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a noon kickoff. We've got high temperature of 62. I know there's going to be tons of Halloween parties on Saturday night. No problems with that. If it's outdoors, you're going to have to huddle by a bonfire. At least there'll be a little wind if you're going to be doing that. As we go into Sunday, starting off with sunshine, there'll be some high thin clouds at times, especially towards Sunday evening, but pretty mild temperatures to end the weekend. So it's a cold start today and another cold night tonight. Seasonable 56 today with sun and clouds. Tomorrow, sunshine, pleasant afternoon, then a warm afternoon for Sunday. There's my nod for the pick day on the 7-day forecast. Above average, 63. With trick-or-treat around 58, 59 here. Very little wind, but it does look like for the afternoon and evening, some scattered rain showers on Monday. Mainly morning showers on Tuesday, mid-60s, and we stay fairly mild for this time of the year into midweek. Abby?